Looking for a compact mechanical keyboard that delivers precision without sacrificing portability? The Kailh Box Brown mechanical switch keyboard offers a 65% layout that fits perfectly on your desk or on the go, making it a smart choice for gamers and writers alike. With N-key rollover, every keystroke registers flawlessly, so you won't miss a beat during intense gameplay or fast typing sessions. I took a chance on this keyboard after hearing great things about Ducky's reputation, even though there weren't many reviews at the time. It quickly became clear why it's so well regarded. The tactile feel of the brown switches strikes a perfect balance, quiet enough to keep distractions low, yet responsive enough to satisfy that satisfying click and feedback. Whether you're gaming or writing, this keyboard adapts to your style seamlessly. One feature that stands out is the detachable USB-C cable. This modern connection not only makes it easier to pack up and move but also ensures a faster, more reliable connection compared to Bluetooth. For those who prefer wired performance, this is a definite plus. Plus, the keyboard's RGB backlighting adds a customizable flair without overwhelming your setup. Parents will appreciate how this keyboard suits younger users, too. Despite its smaller size, it includes all essential gaming keys and navigation controls right on top, eliminating the need for complicated function key combos. It's a thoughtful design that works well for both adults and kids, offering a great typing experience across the board. That said, some might find the default red keycaps don't quite match the keyboard's aesthetic if you're aiming for a sleek black and red look. It's a minor detail, but worth noting if style is a priority. Also, the keyboard could benefit from options like Bluetooth connectivity for more flexibility, adjustable backlight colors and intensity, and a more traditional layout that doesn't rely heavily on function keys for common punctuation and arrow keys. If you value a mechanical keyboard that blends compact design with reliable performance and a tactile typing experience, the Kailh Box Brown keyboard deserves a closer look. It's a solid pick for gamers who want precision and portability, and for writers who appreciate a satisfying key feel without the noise. Ready to upgrade your setup? The Kailh Box Brown mechanical switch keyboard offers what you need: compact size, dependable key registration, and a modern USB-C connection. Worth a look if you want a versatile keyboard that performs well in every scenario. Try it when you're ready to experience a new level of typing comfort and control.